Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and today in this video I will be showing you how to remove phone number from Gmail account in your Android device. So first, go to your Gmail app, and here you will see a hamburger menu in your top left corner of your page. Click on that, and at the bottom you will see settings. Click on that. So after this, select the Gmail account you want to change your phone number or remove phone number from, and click on manage your Google account. You'll be taken to your Google account. So click on your professional info, scroll down, and you will see your phone number under contact info. So click on that. Here you will need to go to your number once again, and you'll see there are two icons. One is edit and the other is trash. So in order to edit your number, click on the edit icon. We are removing the phone number, so click on trash. So draw your phone pin and you'll be taken to this page again. So click on the trash icon once again and remove number. And that's how easy it is to remove your phone number from Gmail account in your Android. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.